Brad Williams, XL Primes. Compute the daily and annual effective interest rate based on 6%. What am I talking about? Annual interest rate. When the nominal rate and compounding periods are supplied, you can use the effect function to get the effective yearly interest rate. Here's the formula. Effect G5, C5. The effective annual rate, EAR, is the interest rate when compounding is taken into account. In other words, the effective annual rate is the rate actually earned due to compounding occurring more frequently than once per year. Based on the nominal interest rate, this would be your 6%, and the number of compounding periods each year, the effect function computes the effective annual rate. Notice we have just annual compounding. The effective annual interest rate is 6%. If we have daily compounding, 6.183%. So on your credit card statement, they're saying, well, your interest rate's 18%. But then if you look at their fine print, they're going to say it's daily compounding. You're paying 23.77%. Well, no, I'm just kidding there. But if it's 18% and it's compounded daily, well, you're actually paying 19.716% on your monies. In other words, those greedy bastards not only are in you with their 18%, but they're keeping you with their compounding. And I'm saying that with true disregard for these credit card companies. They're friggin' thieves. And I encourage you not to use your credit card unless you pay the darn thing off on a monthly basis. It is the fastest route to losing your rear end. Back to the subject on hand. To show how this works, multiple compounding periods are arranged in column C. Cell G5 contains the nominal interest rate, which is the named range rate. There's no name range in this here. Here's the formula. Effect G5, right here, C5. What's C5? Periods. That's it. If you did this manually, the mathematical formula used to calculate this effective rate is 1 plus interest divided by N, which is the nominal rate, to the N minus 1. N may be the periods. I have to look here. Let's see. Check. N is the periods. Clearly, you can see 5, which is going to be here. Divide this by C12 daily to the 12, to the power of 12 minus 1. That's it. The compounding effect. This is what we all want to earn. We want to earn that 18%. We want it flipped around and saying, let me be that BAST and earn that 18% compounded on a daily basis. And that doesn't include all their other credit card fees for, well, your late fee, or if you sneeze, they penalize you, or Brad Williams, XL Primes.